YouTube, Cue Ball here. Going to do some work on the bike today. Doing the exhaust wrap. I'm taking it off, putting some new exhaust wrap on. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I've got a hole in the collector box which I'm going to fill it with some gum. Then I've got a sheet of metal which I've got curved, put that round the exhaust. I'll 2 Jubilee clips, tighten that up. That'll solve that problem, stop it blowing. And then I'm gonna re-wrap the exhaust so it'll look nice, all repaired, cheap and easy. Bit of a rattage if that's what you want to call it. Also, my left indicator needs a bulb changing, so I'll probably show you that as well. Pretty simple, 3 screws, set one out, put it in. Probably basic stuff that you already know. And that's probably it, to be honest. So I'll be outside in a minute. I'll be back with you. It's just an introduction, and I'll catch you in a minute. Hey YouTube, as you can see, get your priorities right. Cup of coffee, scissors, cut the cable ties off, sheet of metal underneath, Jubilee clip put round using the drill just in case, you know, tying it up. Also, probably wondering why a lunchbox. Well, when you live in a flat, you've got no water source. You have to soak the heat wrap all the way through. Right, I'm going to get cracking. Back with you in a minute. Hey YouTube, Cue Ball again. As you can see, I managed to get all the wrap off. With Jubilee clipped, gum underneath, the sheet of metal. That'll do the job for now. And then I'm just going to wrap it up. I thought I'd show you what I've done. I would show you more, but it's really windy outside. So I'm going to have a cup of coffee and then I'll show you the wrap. Hey YouTube, I don't know if you can hear me, it is really windy out here. I finally managed to wrap the exhaust. It's took me nearly fucking an hour and a half because I haven't took the thing off. I just thought I'd give you a quick look. See what you think. I'm going to start her up now, obviously, to let the exhaust wrap dry to the thing. Back here again, I've just run the exhaust. As you can see, it's all good. If you notice, not as loud as it was before. As I've repaired it underneath, it stops it from blowing. Sounds a lot better. Right, I'm going to do the indicator now. Catch you in a bit. Well YouTube, as you can see, I've managed to get the 2 screws out. That one's fucking minced, so I'm going to end up drilling that out. I managed to open that up a bit. I've gone and bought these fucking bulbs earlier, thinking that they're them. They're looking fucking side, it's the big fucking bulbs. So that's a job for another day. But anyway, there's a wrap for you. Most of the job. I'm satisfied with that today. The bike sounds better. I won't be losing power now. I won't be losing fuel like I have been. So I'll probably leave it there. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Ride safe.